Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on November 15th and 16th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Recycling Day. America Recycles Day is celebrated on November 15th in the United States. Sponsored by the Keep America Beautiful organization, America Recycles Day is a national initiative aimed at promoting recycling in the U.S. and educating citizens about the benefits of recycling and buying products made from recycled materials. Outside of the U.S., there's Global Recycling Day, which was initiated by the Bureau of International Recycling, BIR, and is celebrated on March 18. Its aim is to recognize and celebrate the importance recycling plays in preserving primary resources and securing the future of our planet. Both these days emphasize the role of recycling in resource conservation, environmental protection, and sustainable development. They encourage individuals, businesses, and communities to improve recycling habits and promote the idea that recyclables are valuable resources rather than waste. National Clean Out Your Fridge Day. National Clean Out Your Refrigerator Day is observed annually in the United States on November 15th. The day encourages individuals to clean and organize their refrigerators, removing expired items, wiping down shelves, and ensuring that the refrigerator operates efficiently. The timing is quite appropriate, as it's just before the holiday season in the US, with Thanksgiving at the end of November, a time when many people will be using their refrigerators more heavily for storing holiday meals and leftovers. It's a great reminder not only for hygiene and efficiency but also for reducing food waste by checking what's inside and using up items before they spoil. National Raisin Bran Cereal Day. National Raisin Bran Cereal Day is celebrated on November 15th in the United States. It's a day to acknowledge and enjoy the popular breakfast cereal made of whole grain wheat or bran flakes and sweet raisins. Raisin Bran has been a staple in many households for decades, and this day is a nod to its enduring popularity. As with many food-based holidays, it's primarily a fun, unofficial observance to highlight a specific food item and perhaps offer promotions or special deals associated with that item. So, if you're a fan, it might be a good day to enjoy a bowl of Raisin Bran. I Love to Write Day. I Love to Write Day is celebrated annually on November 15th. Created in 2002 by author John Riddle, this day aims to encourage people of all ages to write. Whether it's letters, journals, poems, essays, or stories, the objective is to get people writing and to celebrate the joy and benefits of expressing oneself through the written word. The day has been embraced by schools, libraries, and writing groups to promote literacy and the importance of writing as a means of communication, creativity, and self-expression. Writers, both professional and amateur, can use this day as an opportunity to dedicate some time to their craft, start a new writing project, or simply write for the joy of it. National Fast Food Day. National Fast Food Day is observed annually on November 16th in the United States. It's a day that acknowledges the convenience and popularity of fast food. On this day, many fast food restaurants might offer special deals or promotions to celebrate. While it's a fun observance for those who enjoy fast food, it's always good to remember the importance of moderation and making healthy choices. While indulging once in a while can be enjoyable, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and be aware of nutritional intake. National Button Day. National Button Day is celebrated annually on November 16th in the United States. The day honors the small, often overlooked, but functional and decorative item, the button. The National Button Society, founded in 1938, promotes the enjoyment and collecting of buttons. Button collecting can be a fascinating hobby, as buttons have been made from a vast array of materials and designs throughout history, reflecting different cultures, eras, and fashions. National Button Day is a day for button collectors to celebrate their collections and for everyone to recognize the history, art, and utility of buttons. International Day for Tolerance. The International Day for Tolerance is observed annually on November 16th. Established by the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, in 1995, this day aims to foster mutual understanding among cultures and peoples. The day serves as a reminder of the importance of tolerance in society, especially given the increasing global challenges and conflicts related to intolerance. UNESCO's Declaration of Principles on Tolerance defines tolerance as respect, acceptance and appreciation of the rich diversity of our world's cultures, our forms of expression and ways of being human. The International Day for Tolerance seeks to promote understanding and harmony among different cultures, religions, and traditions. It underscores the dangers of intolerance and emphasizes education's role in promoting tolerance, breaking down stereotypes, and combating discrimination. Great American Smokeout. The Great American Smokeout is an annual event held on the third Thursday of November. It's sponsored by the American Cancer Society, ACS, and is intended to encourage smokers to use the date to make a plan to quit smoking or to plan in advance and quit smoking that day. The goal is to highlight the health risks of smoking and to offer resources and support for those looking to quit. By quitting, even for one day, smokers take an essential step toward a healthier life and reducing their risk of chronic diseases, particularly cancer. The Great American Smokeout provides a unified date for individuals, organizations, and communities to rally together and offer support and resources to help people quit smoking. While the primary focus is on smoking, the event has also grown to address other forms of tobacco use over the years. The hope is that by providing tools and resources, more people can successfully take steps to quit tobacco use for good. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.